Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Fenix 8 Solar and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the menu/up button. Once the menu opens, scroll down, find the watch settings and tap on it to enter the settings. Now scroll all the way down, find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called the time. Once you find it, select it of course, and right here, if you want to change the time manually, you will need to select the option called set time and then change it to manual. And once you change the set time to manual, the time option will appear. You can tap on it, and here we can adjust the time to our liking. So you can change the hour, minutes, and then AM and PM. And once you're done, you can tap on this icon right here or press the start button to confirm, and then press it again to confirm. And the time changed, as you can see. Of course, you can also change the date format if you like to, and the time format to something like 12 hours, 24 hours, or military. And once you're done customizing your settings, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.